Have you ever imagined a material so powerful that it can kill bacteria, purify water, clean the air, and even power future electronics, all while being just a few nanometers in size? Well, meet Silver Nanopowder, the tiny metal that's making a massive impact in clean technology. In this video, we'll explore what makes silver nanoparticles so special, how they're being used to fight pollution, and why scientists believe they could be the future of sustainable innovation. So, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe us. If you want to purchase this product, you can visit our official website. Link is given in the description section. Let's dive into the nanoscale world of silver. Let's start with the basics. Silver nanopowder, also known as silver nanoparticles, are ultrafine particles of silver, usually between 1 to 100 nanometers in size. To give you some perspective, a human hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide. That means millions of these particles could fit across a single strand of hair. At this scale, silver behaves differently from ordinary metal. It becomes more reactive, more conductive, and gains unique antibacterial and catalytic properties. These characteristics make it an ideal candidate for a wide range of clean technologies. Before we jump into the applications, let's look at the problem we're trying to solve. Every day, industries release tons of pollutants from toxic gases and wastewater to harmful bacteria and chemicals. Traditional cleaning methods are often expensive, inefficient, or generate secondary waste. That's where nanotechnology and especially silver nanomaterials step in. They offer a way to tackle pollution at the molecular level faster, cleaner, and more effectively than ever before. One of the most exciting uses of silver nanopowder is in water purification. Silver has been known for centuries as a natural antimicrobial. Even ancient civilizations used silver vessels to store clean drinking water. Today, scientists are taking that ancient wisdom to the nanoscale. By embedding silver nanoparticles into water filters, we can kill bacteria, viruses, and even neutralize harmful organic compounds. These nanofilters are lightweight, efficient, and require less maintenance, making them ideal for use in developing regions or portable clean water systems. Imagine a future where every household water purifier or portable bottle uses silver nanotechnology to ensure safe, chemical-free drinking water. That future isn't far, it's already being tested. Now let's move from water to air. Air pollution is one of the biggest health threats on the planet. Silver nanoparticles can be used in air filters and HVAC systems to destroy airborne bacteria, mold, and viruses. They also help break down volatile organic compounds, the harmful chemicals that come from paints, fuels, and industrial smoke. Some next-gen air purifiers are already using nano-silver coatings on their filters, offering cleaner air and longer filter life. So the next time you breathe in clean air, there might just be a bit of nanotech helping you out. But silver nanopowder isn't just cleaning the environment, it's powering the technologies of tomorrow. Because of its excellent electrical conductivity, silver nanoparticles are being used in solar cells, flexible electronics, and conductive inks for printed circuits. This allows the creation of lightweight, flexible, and more efficient devices, all while reducing material waste. In solar energy, nano-silver improves light absorption and efficiency, making renewable energy production more affordable and sustainable. Here's another fascinating application: antimicrobial coatings and fabrics. Hospitals, food packaging companies, and even clothing brands are now using silver nanopowder to create surfaces that kill microbes on contact. From face masks and medical bandages to refrigerator linings and wall paints, nanosilver is quietly keeping our surroundings cleaner and safer. It's a perfect example of how nanotechnology blends into everyday life, invisible but incredibly effective. Silver nanoparticles also play a key role in making manufacturing cleaner. They can serve as catalysts in chemical reactions, reducing the need for toxic chemicals and high energy consumption. In simple terms, industries can produce the same materials but with less pollution and lower costs. That's what makes silver nanotechnology so revolutionary. It doesn't just fix environmental problems, it helps prevent them. Of course, every technology comes with challenges. Researchers are still studying how silver nanoparticles behave in the environment and ensuring their long-term safety. But the potential is undeniable. With proper regulation and sustainable production methods, silver nanomaterials could become a cornerstone of future clean tech. We're talking about greener cities, safer water, cleaner air, and smarter materials, all powered by a metal that's been with humanity since ancient times. So, the next time you hear about nanotechnology, remember this: the future of clean technology might not be about giant machines or billion-dollar projects. It could be about something as small as a nanoparticle, silently making our planet cleaner, one molecule at a time. If you found this video fascinating, hit the like button, subscribe for more science and tech content, and share this with someone who loves innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.